Welcome! In front of me I have Cubot X19 and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this device. First we need to open the settings. To do it, swipe up on the home button twice, like this, to open the app menu, and here tap on the settings icon. In settings, let's scroll all the way down and select the system. Here tap on languages and input, and then tap on languages. As you can see, we have English language right here on the list, and to change the language we need to tap on Add Language, find the language you want to use by swiping up and down on the screen. I'm gonna select, for example, Deutsch, and to select the language, tap on the language you want to select. Then select the region, for example, Deutschland. And as you can see, now we have two languages on the list. To make the Deutsch default, we need to press and hold on this icon next to it and drag it to the top of the list, like this. And as you can see, the language changed. Let's bring it back to English by doing the same thing, dragging it to the dragging it to the top of the list, like this. You can also remove the languages from this list. To do it, tap on the More Options icon right here, tap Remove, select the language you want to remove, tap on the bin icon, and tap OK to confirm. And that's how you change the language on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.